Today, we will talk about how to board up a window. Let's have a look at the details. You should know how to board up a window with plywood. If you live in an area that's prone to big storms, or even if you're just dealing with a broken window, to help out, we've outlined a pair of methods that work for both storm prep and broken windows. One, using screws, best for wood framing or vinyl siding. The other, using clips, ideal for masonry or stucco homes. We've also included a tip on securing your windows from the inside for some last-minute protection, and it's all very DIY-friendly. The first step is securing plywood with screws. Measure the window's height and width. Use a tape measure to determine the height and width of the window, including the window's framing. If the window has an extended bottom sill that protrudes out further than the rest of the window, make your height measurement from the top of the sill. Cut the plywood 8 in 20 centimeters, larger than your measurement, and mark out your cutting lines. Cut the plywood with a circular saw. Attach 2 sheets of plywood together if you need a bigger piece. Locate the framing studs surrounding the window. A wood-framed house will always have framing studs against each side of a window opening, and should also have sturdy framing right above and below the opening. If you have wood siding, look for rows of nail holes to confirm the location of the studs to the sides. If you have vinyl siding, use a stud finder or estimate the location of the studs, and make 1 or more small, discrete pilot holes with your drill to confirm there's solid wood framing underneath. Drill holes in the corners of the plywood that match the studs or framing. The pilot holes should be equal to or just slightly greater in diameter than the size of the screws you'll be using. Drill pilot holes around the plywood with 12 in 30 centimeters spacing. Have a friend hold the panel as you screw it into place over the window. As your friend continues to hold the panel, drive a screw into each of the 4 corner pilot holes. At this point, your buddy can let go, and you can drive screws into the remaining pilot holes. And the second step is securing plywood with clips. Record the height and width of the window you're boarding up. Use a tape measure to determine the height and width of the window from the edges of the window frame, right up against the surrounding exterior wood framing, masonry, or stucco. Cut a plywood sheet so it's 1d4 inches, 0.64 centimeters, less than your measurements. Use a circular saw to cut the plywood to size, working carefully, so that the measurements of the cut sheet are just slightly smaller than the dimensions of the window. Join 2 plywood sheets together if the window opening is too large. For a window opening that's bigger than a standard sheet of plywood, cut 2 separate sheets, so they're each half the size of the opening. Drive 2.25 inches screws through the bracing and into the plywood to join everything together. Hammer clips onto the sides of the plywood with 24-inch spacing. Don't worry about putting clips along the top or bottom. The clips on the side will be sufficient to hold the plywood in place. Press the plywood sheet into the window frame to secure it in place. Line up the sheet over the window opening, then slowly but firmly press it into the opening until the teeth on the tension legs of the window clips. Securely grip the surrounding material, brick, concrete, stone, etc. Keep pressing until the sheet won't budge any further. Strong winds generate lift on the plywood that can cause it to be pulled out of the window frame. If the window clips are securely gripping the sides of the frame, they will keep the plywood in place. When you're ready to remove the plywood, simply push down on the board and pull up on the window clips on one side to remove it. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.